they made it?
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, that one. Pina colada version. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna try the.
It's like frozen, right?
Wait, it's a cocktail. That means not gonna be a lot.
What?
The cocktail,
All of our drinks are pretty strong.
But how big is it?
It's in a 12-ounce cup.
Okay, I get that. Yeah.
Okay. And another jet.
Not really don't, but I don't know. See something.
What you trying to order for food?
I see the roundabout or something like that.
So the roundabout has the jerk chicken, the curry goat, the oxtail, rice and peas, pumpkin rice, plantains, and our market vegetable.
I don't want no pumpkin rice though.
If we get
Pumpkin rice and peas and
it's 2 rice?
yeah, and pumpkin rice.
Fancy. I saw it.
That's fancy. I saw it too.
Jerk like an oxtail, curry goat.
Jerk chicken, plantains, the 2 types of rice, and the market vegetable.
And what's that? Is that what's the vegetable?
Today it's collard greens and carrots. And if you know you don't like the pumpkin rice, you can get double rice and peas.
Right. I was
So you want to do that? That's what you want to do?
No, you can get your own.
Oh, you order by yourself? Well, I'm gonna take everything piece of thing that's on your plate, if you don't mind.
No problem.
So the roundabout.
No, I'm saying you can get your own. Oh, so you want something different?
It serves 2.
I know it said that.
Okay.
Which yours? Did you want the 2 different rices or?
Oh yeah, 2 different rices.
Okay.
Yes, girl. I hear that.
I know.
She was like,
I can read. I got it.
No, it's not that. I was looking online. I was like, this place is nice. I like it.
Indecisive. Made it hard for me just now.
Indecisive?
I'm not indecisive because I had it in my heart, and then I'm like, I guess jerk salmon with rice and peas.
I had that in my mind as well. Like, you know what? I'm gonna try the other one.
I just feel like I eat everything else all the time.
Me too, but
Okay, so we have the roundabout with the regular way and the jerk salmon with rice and peas.
oh, they got candles. Look cute.
I don't know. I know. Okay, my name is Julia. If anything else you need, you let me know, and your drink will be right up. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, this is cute. I like this.
Man, that looks nice. Nice looking man.
The man?
That you could have taken. Or boy, whatever. Well, not boy, like,
Who's talking about?
he rode by already, girl. It's too late. And he was recording people. Like, dang.
Oh, he was?
Got me on your thing.
Well, I have you on my thing, so I told you already. Hi, Carmel.
Glad I look like someone.
Girl.
Glad I tried
like
today.
This is cute. I like this. I think I would like this rather be in the restaurant, even though I've never been in the restaurant.
Sunflowers here.
Oh, yeah, it's cute.
How much is the sunflower?
Oh, you like sunflowers?
No, it's for me as birthday party.
Oh, it said $6
For her table.
This is $6. Yeah,
That's good. For what, the batch? Oh shoot.
Is the whole batch or is it one?
Well, yeah, the one bouquet.
Oh, one bouquet. Okay.
Then that's good though, because usually sunflowers go run for a lot of money. Oh my goodness,
We're right next to a thing.
Flowers.
Oh, that's cute.
Sis and Carol, I'm trying to get some close to my house. But I need sunflowers for her table. To put in a mason jar and decorate it.
The nutty dread and the virgin pina colada.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Nutty dread.
Good. It's so tiny.
It's small. For $12.
2 ounce. 2 ounce cup. But I heard I got a lot of liquor in it.
She said 2 ounces. I thought she said 12 ounces. No, she said 16.
No, she said 2
Oh,
ounce.
I was to say.
I'm making fun of it.
I'm like, yeah, it's very small. For $12. I'm gonna eat another drink. It's not gonna cut it.
Oh, you feel it?
Yeah.
Guess it's not that small, huh?
Right. Yeah, I'll just stick to one. Want some water? Oh, you put the name down?
Yeah, and they had to call me when it was free.
Oh, yeah, they did that to us when we went to thing. Oh, the restaurant. What was it again? What's the name of it?
Sweet Chicks?
Yeah. This is crazy. This is a lot of food. My little stomach.
I want your wing of your drink.
You can have it. So this is called the roundabout. Got everything in there. Got oxtail, plantains, rice and peas, collard greens, which I don't eat. jerk chicken, curry goat, pumpkin rice, and Carmel got salmon recipes and collard greens.
Jerks.
She making me look like I'm the greedy one here. But it's cool. She gonna eat some with me anyway.
Yes, you know it.
And this is a nutty dread. Like, get out of here. It's the honey. You probably honey. Is it honey thing? Honey barbecue?
It's supposed to be jerk.
Oh, it is? So why does it be here?
Cause it's sweet.
Oh, look guys, it spins. This is lit, right?
Good. Stop right there so I can get that my jerk chicken.
Oh, take the wing. Oh.
Gotta cut it.
All right, so
I'm real greedy, so
it's not.
I eat all food.
It's not that bad. The collard greens actually tastes good.
See?
The oxtail is overcooked, but it tastes good though, but it's overcooked. And she said it sounds like, what she said?
It tastes like it's the bottom of the pot.
You trying to be quiet because the lady was right here.
Who tried to be quiet? I said it. I know like the bottom of the pot.
Well, you was higher up.
I did look at her though. I was like,
yeah, that's what I'm like. Oh, the curry goat is good. It's spicy, but it's good.
this chicken falls off the bone though. For sure.
Good?
Yes.
It's
It was so easy to cut off.
I can't see your food.
It's halfway gone.
And she don't need to come light this candle because the wind gonna blow it up.
What?
It makes no sense for her to come light the candle. She said she gonna come light the candle soon. Oh look, my pumpkin rice is over here by itself. You wanna try it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, this
Taste this.
this nutty dread has me feeling tipsy.
Wait, you took a video of it already?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, Carmel about to be a test dummy. I like pumpkin, but I mean, I never had pumpkin rice.
Oh, it's good.
That rice tastes better than this rice.
It does? Come on, flour. I can get used to this. We don't have to go back inside no more. I don't want to go back inside restaurants no more. This is lit. I like this.
You know what's funny?
What?
I never used to sit outside when I had an option. But you want to sit inside or outside? I'd be like inside.
Oh yeah, I never did that.
Because flies and
Right,
bugs.
and dust, yeah. But now,
I mean, we have no choice, so I guess.
yeah, now we gotta be used to it. So.
Why is everybody recording so much?
Who recorded?
Everybody that comes by here.
Recording? Who?
Like the lady who just took a picture or a video or something. Some boy on a bike had a camera recording.
Probably a YouTuber. Or they probably a tourist.
I'm famous, y'all. I'm on everybody's YouTube page.
Okay, this is good. This shit right here is good. Nutty dread. Well, I call it nutty dread. It's good.
She named the drink
Huh? What was it? What's yours?
Pina Colada Virgin.
Oh. Are you doing good? I can't get over this. It's so late. I love it. This is my end result. I didn't eat all of it. I'm full.
And I didn't really help. I had one piece of everything.
Yeah, the oxtail is overcooked. And like you said, it looks like it's from the bottom of the pot.
Bottom of the pot.
Definitely.
Scraped it up and was like, okay, make a new pot.
The dressing is good though.
The curry goat was good though.
Yeah, the curry goat is good and it's spicy as well. The plantain is half fried, but it still tastes good.
I don't like salt.
I'll eat it. I don't mind. And then the collard greens, I don't even like collard greens, but I ate it. It tastes good.
That was good.
So I recommend this spot. I can't even see the thing. The thing is hiding it, but the tent is hiding it. But this is Negril BK on Flatbush
No, Fifth Avenue
Oh
in
no,
Carroll Street.
Fifth Avenue. Well, I said Flatbush. Fifth Avenue on Carroll Street. Yeah. It's good.
I don't do well with cold girls. They say, would you rather be in the hot sun?
You anemic like me?
I'm not anemic anymore. I used to be.
Oh, I'm still anemic.
I used to be, but lately they have not mentioned that I am.
This food is good. I finished my dirty. I finished my I finished my nutty dress. There was no peanut in there. Got one cherry.